Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start with the new topic Understanding Elementary Shapes chapter number 5. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video and also to hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic. My today's topic is angle. Whenever we say angle, this figure comes in front of our eyes. So what is it? There is one ray BA and another ray is BC. So the figure formed by two rays with the common initial point is known as angle. Here this is end point, but with the rays always we call it initial point. Parts of an angle. So two parts are there of an angle. The first one is arm. So this ray BA and another ray BC. These two rays are known as arms of an angle, and this common initial point B is known as vertex of the angle. Naming an angle in different ways. So before starting naming, the main point is symbol. What is the symbol for angle? This is tilted L. Don't make the straight line, otherwise it will look like L. So tilted line, this is known as symbol of angle, tilted L. We measure the angle in degrees and we use protractor to measure the degree. Now it is denoted by using single capital letter. So single capital letter is always B. Here you can say three capital letters A, B and C. When we denote using single capital letter, that is always vertex of the angle. So angle B. Now second one is using three capital letters. So we can write angle A, B, C, or we can say angle C, B, A. The main thing is vertex of the angle is always in middle of another two capital letters. In higher classes, we use small letter. If such type of letter you can see here, so we can represent this as a angle B. Same way in higher classes, we use these numbers. If you can see any number written over here, we can use as a angle 1. Apart from these two, we use symbol also. Which type of symbols? Alpha, beta, gamma and so on. The way I have written here, B, it may be alpha, it may be beta, it may be gamma. So if any symbol is there, we can use symbol also to represent the angle. Interior of the angle, the area enclosed by these two rays is known as interior of the angle. So this green shaded part is interior of the angle, and outside the angle, outside these two rays, this is known as exterior of an angle. Name the angle in all the possible ways. So all the possible ways, first way is using a single letter, that is vertex, so angle S. Then using this letter, that is angle 5. Using three letters, angle Z, X, Y, or we can say angle Y, X, Z. This vertex will be always in middle. Now name the 6 angles given in the figure. Instead of this, the question may be given how many angles are there, name them. So you need to find out how many angles. You can find out. The easiest way is keep this yellow color ray in your mind. So M, Q and the next one is N. Now M, Q and the next letter is O. Now M, Q and the next one is P. Now keep this ray, pink color ray in your mind. So N, Q, O, N, Q, P. Now with this blue color ray, Q, O, P. So these are the 6 different ways, 6 different angles. Now terminal ray, this is known as terminal ray and initial ray. So this is known as initial ray. The ray in the initial position before the rotation is called initial ray. The next one is terminal ray or final ray. The ray in the terminal position, in the final position after the rotation, is called the terminal ray. So this is initial ray and this is terminal ray. So complete chapter with the subtopics. Chapter 1, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics. Chapter 2, whole numbers, 8 subtopics. Chapter 3, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics. And chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas with 4 subtopics. Part 1, link is given in the description and link for other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now, here the types of angles with measurement. So here you can see that two rays are there. Just a minute. Yeah, two rays are there, initial ray and terminal ray. When we rotate this terminal ray, we get the different types of angles. So here it is acute angle. Now this is your 90-degree angle. Again rotate your terminal ray. This will give you obtuse angle. And now this is your straight angle. Now again rotate this, so this pink color region is for reflex angle, and once again come back to the original position, that is your complete angle. One complete rotation is over, so that is complete angle and 360-degree. And we have started with the zero angle. You can see that two rays without any angle, so that is zero angle also. Now same thing we will do with this. So zero angle, this is two rays, initial ray and terminal ray. No angle is formed, so zero angle, 0 degree. Acute angle between 0 to 90-degree. Right angle, this is your 90-degree. Then obtuse angle between 0 to 180 degree. Straight angle is 180 degree. Reflex angle between 180 to 360 degree. And reflex angle we show by this arrow. Now whole angle or complete angle. So once again two rays are in the same place. With this arrow we can identify this is complete angle. If arrow is not there, this is your zero angle. Now how to define this? So an angle whose measurement is 90 degree is called a right angle. An angle whose measurement is 180 degree is called a straight angle. If we are using this lies between, so an angle whose measurement lies between 0 and 90 degree is called an acute angle. So this way, if you keep this in your mind, you can easily define the types of angles. No need to learn, just understand and write down in your own words. Whenever you define this, making drawing figure is compulsory. The types of angle, this is acute angle less than 90 degree, right angle exact 90 degree, obtuse angle greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, straight angle exact 180 degree, reflex angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, full angle, complete angle, whole angle, this is 360 degree. Here is one smiley face. Everybody knows this smiley face. These are the two ears. This is the cap. So with this, with the help of this also, we can keep all the types of angles in our mind. So the first one is zero angle. This is your zero angle. After rotation, this first quadrant is acute angle. So lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. This is acute angle. 90 degree and straight angle 180 degree, this is obtuse angle. And the big smile, this is for the reflex angle. And once again, if you come back to the original place, this is 360 degree complete angle or whole angle. Chapters grade 6 chapter number 3, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics are there. You can read these subtopics. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. You can read these subtopics. Angles using fingers, this is again very important concept. angle between any two adjacent finger. This is known as acute angle. So angle between any two adjacent figure, this is acute angle. Angle between thumb and index finger is known as right angle. Angle between thumb and little finger, this is known as obtuse angle. And with the whole palm you can see all the angles. First little finger is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sometimes without using your protractor, with the thumb you can get the rough idea or approximate idea of the angle, measurement of the angle. Grade 6 chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. Four subtopics are there. You can read the subtopics. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Measuring an angle, we use protractor to measure the angle. Here you can see the protractor. In protractor we have two scale, inner scale or outer scale. So here with this blue color we can read both the scale. For inner scale it is 60, 65 and 70. So 65. Outer scale this is 110, 115 and then 120. So we get here two measurements, 65 degree and 115 degree. Now this blue color will remind you the angle between two fingers. So this is acute angle, and out of this 265 degree is the acute angle. So the correct measurement is 65 degree. Take another figure. Here also two scales are there. Inner scale your measurement is 110 and outer scale your measurement is 70 degree. Now this blue color arms will remind you the angles between two angles, that is acute angle, and 70 degree is the acute angle. So exact measurement, correct measurement is 70 degree. Now take one more figure. Again inner scale measurement is 110 and then this is 115. Outer scale this is 60 and this is 65. So two measurements we will get 65 and 115. But this green color arms or this angle remind you the angle between thumb and the little finger, that is obtuse angle, and 115 is the obtuse angle. So the correct measurement is 115 degrees. Angle between two adjacent numeral on the clock. Here you can see the clock. So what is the angle between any two adjacent number, that is between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3. We know that angle around a point is 360 degree. So angle around a point is 360 degree. Here you can see that the total number of parts are 12. The final number is 12. So the angle between any two numbers, between any adjacent two number will be 360 divided by 12. Just divide this, you will get 30 degree. It means the angle between 1 and 2 is 30 degree. Angle between 5 and 6 will be 30 degree. Angle between 8 and 9 will be 30 degree. Angle between the hands of a clock you need to find out over here. So what will be the angle between the hands of a clock? So when the arms are on 7 and 12. So here we can find out how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number of parts are 5 and angle between two adjacent number is 30 degree. So 5 into 30 will give you 150 degree. Take another figure, angle between these two arms. So how many parts are there? 1 and 2. And 2 into 30 will give you 60 degree. Now take one more figure. Here you can see that this arm is in middle of 3 and 4. So the complete part will be 1 and 2 and this is just half. Half of 30 will give you 15. So the measurement will be 15 plus 2 complete parts into 30. So 15 plus 60 will give you 75 degrees. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please share this video and also don't forget to watch my next video.